What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and as we all know, Dogecoin is going crazy right now. Yeah, we went all the way from 31 cents all the way up here within one day, so this is really crazy right here what we're doing with Dogecoin. And what we want to look at now is our short-term chart. So all the way up here, we are definitely setting a trend line. I was watching this go down earlier, and then I seen that it just does not want to go below this or above there, so we're definitely following this trend line up. And then when we get there, either way whatever we do right here, when we get about to this point right here leading into the next day, is going to determine how the next day is going to go. So if we get here and then we have lots of selling pressure, then we're going to just go down huge for the next day, possibly down all the way back down to our last support line or our last resistance line, which would be right around here is where we had our last resistance. So it could go all the way down to 36 cents if we don't have a good trading period here. But if we hit here and there's still a lot of buying pressure and everyone's still optimistic and there's still Doge tweets and Elon tweets all over, when it gets here leading on to the new day tomorrow, then we will definitely see it rise. But it just depends what it does at that time. So yeah, I'm definitely holding it still. And honestly, going into the new day, we could see anything. We could see a huge jump or we could see a huge drop. We already had so much growth that the more logical reason would be for it to go down just a little bit and then consolidate around 36 cents at range. I know that's 37 cents there. I mean, like around here, 30 cents, 36 cents. That would be pretty low for it, but I do believe that we could consolidate around here or here if we do drop from all the way up here. But if we continue to have positive buying pressure leading into tomorrow, then we can definitely see this continue to grow. So this is what we are looking at here for Doge. So right now we are about to break this trend line, and going into tomorrow, this is really going to tell where we are. Right now, as I'm recording this, is 8:54 p.m. So you can see it from my perspective. So yeah, what we are going to see here is going to get determined tomorrow. But as we can see, we have $51 billion in market cap. Look, $51 billion in market cap and 11.9 billion inside of 24-hour trading volume. This is huge for Doge. This is really huge for us, for the whole Doge community. And honestly, we have Elon Musk to thank for this. Like, let's go over here to Twitter. Like, we have Elon Musk to thank for this, the Doge father. Look at this, trending once again. Trending. Look, underdogs turned into legends. He's talking about Dogecoin here. Jordan Belfort, he is really big with Dogecoin now, so I guess he's just trying to ride along the Doge wave here. But as you can see, look, Dogecoin to the moon is trending on Twitter, and Doge father is trending on Twitter. So this is really big. Look, Elon Musk has been tweeting. He put out 2 tweets, and then he's actually responded to all those tweets there. He has responded to everything. So yeah, this is really big. Elon Musk is actually responding to people, and he's actually posting tweets about Dogecoin. So this is actually a really good day for us. So yeah, let's look at our Dogecoin to the moon tweets. We have Dogecoin to the moon tweets. We just have Doge father tweets. We have everything. Look, Dogecoin has officially crested back over its 50 billion market cap. Yes, for those that just joining Doge to the moon. Yes, look, $53.4 billion. That's how much Spotify is worth, and Doge is worth 50 billion. Doge is worth just as much as Ferrari, just 2 billion less than Ferrari. This is something to put in perspective here. eBay, what we all love and use, Doge is worth more than eBay. Doge is worth more than Ford. You're probably driving a Ford right now while watching this video, listening to it or whatever. But yeah, look, Doge is worth more than Ford. So this is something to think about here. Honestly, I'm not a financial advisor. Obviously, this is not financial advice. But obviously, Dogecoin is going to the moon. And we have 2 of the richest people, not even 2 of the richest people, like Elon Musk. He is one of the richest people on this planet. And including Mark Cuban, he's also really rich. We have so many rich people that are with Doge. This is so crazy that Doge is doing all of this, and it's so crazy that we can all ride the wave with Doge. But yeah, the Doge father has spoke. So yeah, this is really good news for Dogecoin. We are the top crypto right now. And yeah, our market cap is actually doing pretty good right now compared to where we usually were. 51 billion is so good right now. I want to see Doge get up to 60 billion next, and after that 70 billion. I just want to see it continue to reach. I really want to see Doge at $1 trillion, because that means that we would be worth $10, and that would be crazy because my money would be huge by then, and I know all of our money would be huge by then. So let's hope that Doge actually reaches like $1 trillion market cap, so we can get to $10. That would be huge for Doge. But honestly, right now we need to worry about getting to $100 billion market cap so we can have $1 Doge. It would have to be at $129 billion market cap exactly down here. So that is exactly what we would need for Doge to be huge, for Doge to be $1. So that's what we're shooting for here with Doge, and that is exactly what we are going to achieve. And especially with Elon Musk making all these tweets, like just on Twitter, he has 51 billion, followers here on Twitter. And also, he is the CEO of Tesla, so that's a lot of pull. That is a lot of weight right there. He is like the biggest catalyst with Doge. Anything he says about Doge is going to send Doge to the moon. Like if Elon Musk just tweeted Doge for the rest of his life, just every minute, Doge would probably be at a million trillion. That's what we're gonna call it, because it's infinity, and that's where Doge would be if Doge was, if Elon Musk could promote it 24/7. But he can't do that because I'm definitely sure that would be illegal, or I guess it would be illegal because he's like pumping. But I don't know why that would be illegal. That makes no sense, because I guess he would have more power than the government. That's why they would make it illegal. That's the only thing I can see. But yeah, this is crazy though. Dogecoin is continuing to go to the moon, and we are worth more than your favorite companies. So that is something to think about. So much wow inside Dogecoin. Look at this. Who is still holding? Look at this guy here. Look at this. He is up 90k in Dogecoin. Like, these are diamond hands. His hands right now are full of diamonds right now. Full of diamonds, no paper. Look at this. Dogecoin to the moon. Dogecoin to the moon right now. So yeah, as you can see, so many different people are so like in with Doge right now. So many people are making so much money. There's millionaires being made every day with Doge. Look at this. This other person made so much money here with Doge. That's a lot of profit right there. This is life-changing money that people are making. And look, Dogecoin millionaire finds love. I know you guys out there are trying to be like this guy right here. So yeah, Dogecoin millionaires out here are being made, and they are doing different things here with Doge that have never been done before. So yeah, Doge is one of those cryptos that you really want to get in now, because when we do hit $1, we are going to be shooting for $10 next. We are not going to be looking to drop. We are going to be shooting for $10 after we hit $1. So definitely get your positions, lock your positions in. We're about to go crazy here. Don't be stupid. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But I just follow the trend lines. I just follow where we go with Doge, and actually where we are going is up right now. So this is what we are seeing with Doge. We should probably start it down lower right around here. This would be the fair trend line that we could draw here. I definitely think we are going to continue to rise by the end of the day, but by then, where would we be? That's the bigger question. Would we drop right leading into the next day, or will we jump? And that is what we are questioning. If we continue to get a lot of buying pressure, then we will continue to rise. If we continue to get all the selling, like all these right here, this is all selling orders right here. So you have to think about that. A lot of people were selling, but now they're buying again, but you can see that they're already selling. So this is definitely good to watch. Definitely good to look at the candlestick view whenever you look at this, because you can see how many people are buying compared to how many people are selling. And honestly, way back here, yes, we had more people buying and selling, but now up here, we're starting to have more people selling, because as you can see here, we had actually stronger jumps. Like, our jumps went way higher back here. Like, not way higher, but they did way much more growth. Like, this was way more growth than this. If you look at it, it's just looking at it from this point of view, like going all the way down here, all the way from there, not even touching the chart, and then just hitting there, and then coming all the way down here and losing all of that, all of those Doge, just all that selling happening. And then they bottomed out right here, and then they continued to rise, but not as strong as they were before. And then we dropped here, and then we rose, but not as strong as before. And we dropped, we rose, not as strong, and we dropped, and then we dropped again. And now we're trying to rise, but then we're dropping, and then we're not really as strong again. But look at this. Dogecoin just now broke the trend line. Like I said, whatever we do, we are going to do big. So if we break the trend line and we do go down, we may continue to see something lower, maybe of 38 cents. But yeah, we definitely broke that because there was so much selling pressure there. So look at this. Look at the candle view here. We had a lot of pressure there. And I was looking at this. I was like, no, we should have had more green candlesticks here. But nope, there was a red one there, and it just broke the trend line. But actually, we can start another one. So this is another good thing, because that means that we are going another direction. So you may be able to buy in lower and get in at a lower cost, so you can have a better dollar cost average. But it's just depending on what you want to do. I'm gonna do what I would always do. I'm just gonna hold it right now, because when it drops huge like this, I don't like to sell and panic sell, because we will go back up and then fluctuate, and then we will be creating another trend line. So this new trend line may actually be a downward trend line. So this is a really big moment in Doge, because if we do go on our downward trend line, like I said, we're gonna go back to our previous support line and our resistance line back here. So maybe around, this was the resistance that we were having way back here. So the support would be around 37 cents here. I'm saying if we would not go below 37 cents, if we continue to do this dip here, this is a hard dip that we're seeing here at Doge. But we were kind of expecting this, because we were on a huge rally right there, and it was all to the thanks of Elon Musk. He helped this huge rally, but now it's falling. People are selling. But yeah, it's just kind of fun to watch the candlesticks go down, I guess. Just because if you have money on the sidelines and you're waiting for it to drop, you can buy back in at a really good price here. And that might be what I'll do here. Just buy back in a little bit more and just continue to, lower my dollar cost average and just buy some more Doge at a better price, because I know it's going to be above 38 cents in the future. So that is my reasoning there. Even if I bought here at 38 cents and it went all the way down here to 34 or 36 cents, I'd still be cool with that, because then I'd buy more at 36 cents. So that's just my view in it. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just kind of how I'm doing things right here. But yeah, this is what we just did with Doge. So honestly, I would expect it maybe to go down a little bit for now, and then we are going to come back. Though this is a huge dip. Remember, when we have huge dips in Doge, we have huge people coming in for opportunities. So people are going to really buy this. They're probably really buying it right now, and we're about to see an opposite turn right here. So we're really about to turn around here with Doge. So I actually wanted to just sit here and watch this for a second, because I bet that it's going to turn around and it's not going to really dip at much harder. It has to come back. There are going to be people that see buying opportunities. There are a lot of people selling it right now. They're panic selling because they're thinking that it's dropping, but really it's just the whales dumping off a bunch of shares, because, well, not shares, but Doge. But see, as you can see, we're coming back here. The whales are just dumping off Doge because it hit a really high point here. But now we're going to come back a little bit. We're going to set new trend lines, and we might set a downward trend line. But either way, we are going to be good with Doge. I would not panic at all. I will continue to hold it, because you do not want to sell at a loss and buy back in at a lower cost if you have more money to put in. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, just what I'm doing here. But you've seen what could happen with one tweet by Elon Musk. One tweet by Elon Musk and Dogecoin just goes crazy. Just imagine Elon Musk on Saturday Night Live, a whole show with Elon Musk talking about Doge. Instead of just one tweet, you have a whole show for a few hours happening, just him talking about Doge. And this is going to happen live, and this is going to be able to be rewatched. It's going to go worldwide, global. Everybody's going to know about this. This is about to be crazy, so I would not want to get left out on this. This is about to be huge. One of the biggest things. Elon Musk just now retweeted this. Separation confirmed. Dragon will perform 4 departure burns to move away from the space station. It's just kind of ironic how the name is, starts with a D, just like Doge. So maybe that has something to do with Doge. The reason that he named it that, possibly. But yeah, it kind of does look like a Doge right there. Maybe there's a Dogecoin on there as well. We do not know. There could be a Dogecoin on there. But yeah, this is definitely really big for Dogecoin. We have so much big news happening. But like I said, we were going to come back here. We may have a downtrend happening. So definitely be prepared for that. Do not have paper hands. Have those diamond hands. My hands are made of diamonds, and I hope yours are too. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But yeah, I would continue to watch this here, but we all know how this goes. It's going to fluctuate up and down. So anyways, it is your boy Marsellis back with another video. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and check out the description for a free stock with Robinhood, Public, and Webull, and also crypto.com. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.